Have you ever been going through a post on Instagram or Facebook and the creator asks you to drop a comment, the word burger, on the comment section, and immediately you type this word burger, you receive a notification on your DM sending you what the creator actually promised you? Do you think it's the creator that actually sent you this in just a few seconds? Not at all. It's an automation, right? So they do this with the help of a tool called ManyChat. And one of the help of this tool is that it helps you generate many comments. And you know, the more comment you get, the more Facebook or Instagram push your content out there. And with this, you can grow your follower or your profile easily. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to automate your video or your post like this also.
Simple. Just go over here, automation, and click up here in top right corner where it says new automation. Then you can select the trigger right here. Over here and select user comments on your post or read, and then select the post that you want to make this automation for. Then you can add the word that you want people to comment right here. Now you just add the message that you want to send them when they comment that word over here with a link to book a call, download your lead magnet, and check out your product, and that is it.
I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please follow me if you are watching from Facebook, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are watching from YouTube.